Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these salted peanut butter and caramel blondies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, grab yourself a large heat-proof bowl and add in your chocolate chips followed by your butter, then microwave until melted. Once melted you can then give it all a good whisk together, and this is just to bring together the ingredients. Then add in your sugar and again whisk until it's fully incorporated. You will notice it changes to become more granular. This is completely normal and don't worry. Then add in all of your eggs, followed by the vanilla extract, and then whisk until fully incorporated. This will really change the mixture, but in a good way. It will become much looser but smoother and glossier at the same time. So just keep whisking until you get that. It should thicken up slightly as well. Once you've done that, you can then add in your dry ingredient, which is just the flour, the salt and your chocolate chips, and then just fold this all in until you have a clear blondie batter. Then you can go ahead and grab yourself a 9x9" square cake tin, which has been lined with some parchment paper. Then pour your blondie batter into it, spread all over the edge as best as you possibly can. This will help with the consistency while baking a little later on. But before you place it into the oven and bake off, you'll want to go ahead and use some of the salted peanut butter and then the caramel as well. And just place dollops on top of the batter, and then just take a knife and swirl it around. It doesn't really matter how you place your dollops, but you'll want to do them in a way that alternate. So I'm using peanut butter caramel, and you can do it however you like though, but this is how I prefer to do it. Then just take a butter knife and swirl it all around. Once you're happy with the distribution and the swirl, you can then go ahead and place it into your preheated oven and bake it off. All that information will be in the blog post, which will be linked down below, so don't forget to check it out if you are interested. When it's fresh from the oven, you can go ahead and place on the chocolate chips. I will leave all that information in the blog post, which you can find linked below. Once you've let them cool completely, you can then go and cut them up into as many or as few pieces as you would like. I went with 8, but feel free to cut these in half again and you'll get 16 portions. That's a generous amount, and you'll get a bit of that, you'll get all the chocolate chips on top. You get the swirl of the peanut butter and the caramel. It's just brilliant. If you like these two flavours, it works very well, so don't forget, make these if you like them. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog and links to all my social media. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.